Some Western countries have made vaccinations mandatory, but only for certain professions such as nursing home staff, healthcare workers and other frontline workers. At the moment, taking the jab is voluntary in Namibia, well, at least for now. At the 11th Institute of People's Management Conference, which was recently held in the capital, NAMCOR Managing Director Emmanuel Mulunga said his company currently does not force anyone to get vaccinated. However, employees of NAMCOR who refuse to take the jab are encouraged to consider the safety of co-workers and NAMCOR clients.
As an entity, we believe that we have a duty to our employees, we have a duty to our customers to offer them a COVID-free environment.
The stance of the Namibian government on vaccination is that it is voluntary and no one is legally required to get vaccinated. And while Mulunga agrees with that, he maintains that all employees at NAMCOR will eventually be asked to take the jab. He says the company has worked out measures for those who, for ethical or other reasons, might refuse to take the jab.
We are discussing, obviously, at EXCO level, to probably say that, if you're not vaccinated, we may ask you to work from home. We will obviously not interfere with your rights to work, and we will not punish you by not giving you a salary or by terminating your employment with NAMCOR. However, we may decide to say that, because you're not vaccinated, we have to protect the others that are vaccinated. So we might request you then to work from home.
John Shimaneni is the Executive Deputy Director at the Ministry of Justice. Shimaneni says that there is a clear distinction between mandatory vaccination and compulsory vaccination.
But the difference is that mandatory vaccination really look at creating a limitation on the social benefit that you are gaining from either your employer or access to a mall. That is mandatory, which means that it's not an imposition on you that there will be criminal liability if you fail to do it, which is different from compulsory.
Should the vaccination against COVID-19 be made compulsory, laws would have to be changed, he explains, requiring punitive measures to be put in place against those who refuse to take the jab. Since experiencing a devastating third wave during the winter months, Namibia has seen a significant decline in new infections. The country's hospitalization rates have also declined. By Monday morning, the country had only vaccinated over 10% of its population. Emil Sabeb, NBC News, Windhoek.